Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Icon Coin. Today I want to share with you that how the ICX coin has completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal move and entered the buying zone. And I shared this move on 30th of May at the Patreon. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis here. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. And in today's video, I also want to share with you the complete buying and sell targets according to this harmonic pattern. First of all, I want to show you this live weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that we have three major support and resistance levels. For example, this is a major resistance zone that starts from $2.3 to $3. Here we have the final resistance at $3, and before this, the $2.3 has been working as a resistance here. The price action moved down and again retested this resistance but failed, moved down, and here the price line broke out this resistance again, and now the price line is again moved down, and once the price line will again turn bullish from here, it can again work as a very strong resistance. And this complete zone that starts from $2.3 to $3 can work as a very strong resistance zone for the price action of ICX. And we also have a very strong key level support on this weekly time frame chart. Even though we also have some other supports as well, but I'm just talking about its strongest support that I've found, which is 60 cents. And here we can see that the price line, when moved down, the price action had a very nice bounce by this 60 cents support level. And if we take a look at the previous history of this support level, then previously it has been working as a very strong support and resistance levels. So for example, on the weekly time frame chart here, it has been breaking as a very nice support. You can see we had 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and almost 12 candles. 12 weeks the price action has been moving above this support and testing this support again and again, and finally the price action broke down this support here, moved up, retested this previous support as a resistance but failed to break out this resistance, moved down again, retested here 60 cents resistance level, but again failed to break out this resistance level. And here the price action broke out this 60 cents resistance, moved down, and on this candlestick we can see on this candlestick the price action retested this previous resistance as a support, and after this retest the price action started a very big bullish move, and after this rally the price action is moved back again at this 60 cent support. And you can see when the price action was moved here, we had a very weak period of the candlestick. That is the signal that the bears are very weak at this level close to this support. And if I show you the different oscillators and indicators, for example, here I have placed the MACD, and you can see after hitting here at this support, the key level support of 60 cents, the MACD has started turning bullish on the weekly time frame chart, and we can also observe that this stochastic is oversold. That is indicating that the ICX, the price of ICX, is quite oversold, and from here it can start another rally towards the upside. Like previously it was entered in the oversold zone and we had a very big and nice rally, and before that the stochastic entered here in the oversold zone, and then it had started a very nice rally but could not break out this previous resistance of 60 cents there. So if we take a look at this combination of this MACD and the stochastic together, then we can see that the stochastic has entered the oversold zone and the MACD has started turning bullish, and the price line has also bounced by this key level support zone. So there are several signals and indications that the price action has found a bottom here at this key level support of 60 cents. And now if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then here the price action was moving in this down channel, and here we had a very nice buying volume, and with a buying volume the price action broke out this resistance of the channel, and at the same time the price action also broke out the EMA 10, the exponential moving averages, with the time period of 10. This blue one is 10 and this red one is 21. So the price line is now moving above the EMA 10 and 21, and we have also received the bull cross. The EMA 10, the smaller time period moving average, has crossed up the EMA 21, that is the bigger time period moving average. And whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, that produces the bullish move. And we have already witnessed that the price line turned bullish from here and broke out this resistance of the channel, and at the moment the price line is retesting this previous resistance as a support. So this is the first confirmation. But the final confirmation, the more firm confirmation, can be when the price line on the daily time frame will be closed above this high price of this candlestick, which broke out this resistance of this down channel. For example, the highest price of this candlestick is, you can watch the price level, the highest price here, and you can see that the highest price of this candlestick was $1.7. So if the candlesticks will be started closing above this level, $1.7 on the daily time frame, that will be the final confirmation for the breakout, and then we can expect a very big rally towards the upside. Now let's move to the Fibonacci targets of this trade that I want to show you, that has been formed on the weekly time frame chart that I shared at the Patreon on 30th of May. And this is the chart. Let me just show you this chart. Basically, I shared this chart on the TradingView as a private idea, and then I shared the link here, and you can see at that time the price action just spiked in the buying zone of this potential reversal zone, or this buying zone of this big bullish bat on the weekly time frame. You can see this was on the weekly time frame. Now I'm just going to play this chart, and you can see that the price action hit at the very end of this buying zone after publishing this chart, and now it has moved at the very start of this buying zone, that is 91.6 cents. You can see that the price action is moving at this time at 91.3 cents. Now the sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this big bullish bat start from $1.6 and maximum goes to $2.64. However, I'm expecting that after such a big bullish reversal from this very big bullish bat pattern, the price action can even break out the next resistance of $3, and it can set another higher than the previous high. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.